Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing, and today I wanted to talk to you about a crystal trend that is going on right now, and that is about the crystal carnelian. So this is a carnelian crystal. It's a very small one. You can see it's kind of orangey and it's kind of clear. Depends on how you move it. So it is all the rave that right now that this crystal, carnelian, will get you a boyfriend, will get you a soulmate, will attract all of your partners to you right now, will get you asked out on a date, and all you have to do is wear it. Well, that's not quite how I view things. So, yes, wearing a carnelian on a necklace in a cage like this might eventually get you a date, but it's not working the way that all of this quick fix stuff seems to be. So carnelian is all about passion, creativity, all of the things about the sacral plexus, which is just below your belly button. So it's about that fire, that creativity, that strength. And honestly, what it's doing is giving you self-confidence. This is the ideal stone for self-confidence. And the way you think about yourself and the way you project yourself out into the world, it's that fire in the belly coming up and projecting itself through the solar plexus. That is what carnelian does. Carnelian works on our self-expression, our self-worth. And if you use carnelian to help with self-confidence, self-worth, self-expression, and being powerful and creative and going with that flow of what you are passionate about, you are going to change. You are going to pull yourself back into balance and express yourself in a positive way. So then eventually, maybe other people might start to notice, or you might have the confidence to ask out the guy that you've not been asking out. That is how carnelian works. So for more tips about working with healing crystals and what crystals are being used for and all different sorts of things, we have our top 10, which is actually 12 crystals that we use for healing, and we are offering that introductory class right now. So check out the link below for how to use healing crystals and what are the first crystals that we would recommend to newbies, or to make sure that you have those crystals on your list when you start working with healing crystals. So you should be sure to check out the link below to find that crystal class. And next Tuesday, we will be talking about Mabon, the fall equinox. And if you missed this week's videos, yesterday about the live stream, and Tuesday I talked about my 2 favorite protection crystals ever and why, you should definitely check those out too. But many blessings, tribe, and I'll see you next week.